Good morning, all of you. This is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We are taking this class in continuation for the topic letter writing. We discussed what is a letter, then we discussed the types of letters, which is formal and informal, and then we came to formal letter. We understood why a formal letter is written, and then what is the format of writing a formal letter, and then some of its examples. So today we are going to take it forward and understand what are informal letters, but before that we'll take a short revision. A letter is basically a written message that is conveyed from one person to another through a medium. We discussed it yesterday also that if a medium is not used, then we are not going to consider it as a letter. Okay? अगर एक medium use नहीं हो रहा है तो हम उसको letter नहीं लेंगे. Then letters are of two types, formal and informal. The Hindi translation is aupcharik and anaupcharik. Okay. A formal letter is one which is written for some official purpose. Okay. And it is never written to your friends or family or relatives. Okay. One very small difference between formal and informal letter is which is indicated in the name itself. Formal is written very professionally and an informal letter is written in a very personal way. So that is one basic difference. Second difference is that the formal letter has to follow one set of format, okay, including the writing style, the tone, the whole way. But an informal letter can be written in any format and it can use any tone. Because we are writing it to a person who is extremely close to us, so we can use any kind of tone. It can be an informal tone. You can be demanding, you can be complaining, you can be anything. Okay. Format of a formal letter was sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and sender's name, signature, and designation. This will depend every time on to whom you're writing. If you're writing the letter to somebody who is a public authority or a public figure, okay, जैसे अगर आप editor को letter लिख रहे हो, तो the editor of a newspaper is a public figure, right? The Hindustan Times, ऐसा नहीं है that the Hindustan Times is coming to you only; it's going to everybody. Okay, so you're just a reader of that thing. You're not a important person or something, so you write only your name. Okay? If you're writing as a student or to some office of yours, then you'll write your name, your signature, and your designation. Designation means your post. आप किस पोजीशन में है उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे, वो डेजिग्नेशन में आता है. ठीक है. Salutation is the greeting. Body of the letter should always start with an introduction, why you're writing a letter and what you expect out of this letter. Then the main content, what you're talking, what are your problems, or description of whatever your introduction was given, and then a final closing with hoping if you are given some suggestions and you hope that, those will be followed or something of that sort, and then the closing. Complimentary clause is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, and etc. Okay. Writing a formal letter was very clear thing that you have to be concise. You have to state the purpose of your letter, and then you cannot, wave from your subject. Whatever purpose you have written in the subject, you have to continue it till the end of the letter. Appropriate tone is very much important. Proofread is important, but because you would not like your boss or somebody to find out a spelling mistake in your writing. Okay? A use of proper format and presentation. It should be written very nicely and properly. ऐसे गंदी handwriting में या with a lot of cuttings, it should not be there. Okay? Then when we come to an informal letter, it is a very easy going thing. I would like to say it's very free flowing and very easy going. It is also referred to a friendly letter at some instances. Okay, and it is a personal letter written to friends or relative. Again, because it is a letter, it will require a medium to reach to the person who is reading it. जो पढ़ रहा है, जिसको आप लेटर भेज रहे हो, it is very important that you are using a medium send the letter. If it's not using a medium, it's not a letter. तो अगर आप personal letter भी लिख रहे हो, अपने mother father को भी लिख रहे हो, so it is generally in that condition that you live in a different city and your parents live in a different city. ठीक है? There are some tips for writing an informal letter. Always start with dear, hi or hello, because you're writing an informal letter in which you are talking in a very friendly manner and in a very personal way. तो आप dear, hi, hello ऐसा कुछ use करो. Use a friendly tone. फैमिली से बात कर रहे हो या फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो, रिलेटिव से बात कर रहे हो, तो जो टोन है that has to be very polite and sweet and very friendly and not at all formal. Okay, very heartily basically. Some commonly used complimentary closed phrases are lots of love, best wishes, kind regards, all these things. ठीक है, एंड जब आप लेटर करोगे तो आप ये चीजें लिखोगे, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, ये सब चीजें नहीं लिखोगे. Okay, this is the format of an informal letter. Basically there is no format of an informal letter, but when we are talking of from the exam point of view, we have to take some kind of a format or something. Okay, so the first thing which you are going to do is write the sender's address. लेटर किसको कौन भेज रहा है वो आप लिखोगे सबसे पहले. Then you write down the date on which you are sending the letter. Then you write down the salutation. अभी भी saw ना dear, hi, hello, वो salutation के अंदर आता है. ठीक है, then the body of the letter, introduction, hi, कैसे हो, I hope you are fine, I am also doing well and everything. Then the reason why you are writing the letter, if you are writing a letter to your mother asking about her health or something, तो वो बस वो चीजें, कैसे हो, घर पे सब लोग कैसे हैं, आई होप यू आर वेल, आपकी तबीयत तो ठीक है, दवाइयाँ तो ले रहे हो आप, डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा, कोई टेंशन की तो बात नहीं है, आई एम कमिंग टू सी यू, यू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, अदरवाइज आई कैन नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर ऑन माय वर्क. इस टाइप की जो चीजें हैं वो आप लिखोगे. देन अ समरी कि भाई I hope you will be fine now and you'll take your medicines on time and I'll see you when I come. Give my regards to father and brother, and if there's a small brother or sister, so give my lots of love to brother and sister. Is type. Then the complimentary close will be lots of love, best regards, kind. Okay, ऐसा कुछ भी, best regards or kind regards or something of that sort, and then your name. Signature is given here. That is an optional thing. I have just written it that because of that only. Signature is optional. If you wish, you can give the signature. If you do not wish to, you do not need to do it. अगर आपको मन करता है साइन करने का तो आप साइन कर देना. अगर मन नहीं करता है तो मत करना वाला सिनेरियो. Okay. So that was the format of an informal letter. Now we are going to look at some of the examples. This is one example of letter writing. Okay, there's a very simple question and it's a very simply written letter. Okay, the question is, your sister lives in another city. Write a letter to her in not more than 150 words telling her about your new friend who is blind but intelligent with many extraordinary powers. Okay, you're writing a letter to your sister. Sister is a part of family, so that clearly becomes an informal letter. Okay, you have to write to her not more than 150 words. ऐसे because it is an informal letter, तो आप ऐसे कहानियां शुरू करके रुक नहीं सकते. ऐसा नहीं है. But you will keep on writing and writing and writing. There has to be a limit to your writing. Okay, and you have to tell her about your new friend who's blind but very intelligent. This girl is blind but she's also very intelligent and has many extraordinary powers. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to first thing is the sender's address. Okay, sender's address is the first thing that you have to write. That is 14/120 Raj Apartments, Preet Vihar. ये किसका एड्रेस है? ये आपका एड्रेस है, जो लिख रहा है उसका एड्रेस है. Because we do not have any address or name given in the question, okay, we can write whatever address we wish. But if there was a name given in the address, question, yeah, address अगर question में दिया हुआ होता, तो you will have to write that only. You cannot write on your own. Okay. Then Delhi is also a part of the address only. I think I missed it. Okay. Then the salutation is dear Didi. Dear, hi, hello, we have to use. So dear Didi is the salutation. Then it is how are you? You know, this is one of the finest lines I think you can have to start a informal letter. Okay, these are one of the best lines you can use to start a letter. How are you? Okay, and then I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits. Okay, this is according to me one of the finest lines you can use to start a informal letter. Then you come to the topic. I can't wait to tell you about Shreya, my new friend. You won't believe how talented she is despite being completely blind. She's blind and new to school, but independent. She's so intelligent and aspires to be a writer someday. She has a great sense of hearing and smell. She can recognize us from our touch. Seeing how talented she is, I believe she can achieve what she aspires. I feel so proud to see the teachers and classmates being supportive to her. I hope you will come soon and meet her. How is your life going? And what about your chess tournament? Lots of love from mummy and पापा. ठीक है, तो आपने बेसिक एक बात करी, उसको सारी बात बताई, और एंडिंग में आपने क्या करा, आपने उससे अपनी बहन से उसकी लाइफ के बारे में भी पूछ लिया कि भाई आपकी लाइफ कैसे चल रही है, एवरीथिंग. And what about the chess tournament? Tournament this gives the letter a more realistic. अच्छा आप लोगों की पहले कोई बात हुई भी है? And now you're asking your sister that how was your chess tournament? Did you win it, lose it? What happened? Okay. Then lots of love from mummy and papa. That mummy and papa are giving you lots of love. That is the ending. And lots of love, Priya. Okay. Now the name Priya and the address both we have taken on our own. Why? Because none was given to us in the question. अगर हमको question में कोई भी address या name दिया हुआ होता, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम उसी को हमारे सेंटेंस के अंदर या हमारा जो लेटर है उसके अंदर लेते. बिकॉज नन इज गिवन देयर, वी आर टेकिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम आवर विश. अगर नहीं दिया हुआ है तो यू कैन टेक इट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर विश. बट इफ इट इज मेंशन इन द स्कूल, बी इट टू द पर्सन यू आर writing the letter, be it your own name or your address or the address of the person you are writing in the letter, if it is a formal letter, the name of the department or the institution or the school, whatever it is. If such informations are given in the question, you will have to adopt those informations only. You cannot write it on your own. Okay. I hope the letter is clear to all of you and nobody has any problem. Thank you.